Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing okay. Now in this video we're going to learn the difference between realize and notice. These are two words that are often confused by English learners and they have different meanings and uses. So by the end of this video you'll be able to use them correctly. So, what's the difference between realize and notice? Well, realize means to become aware of something that was not known or understood before. It usually happens in your mind as a result of thinking or learning something new. And notice means to see or hear something that attracts your attention. It usually happens with your senses as a result of observing or paying attention to something. Let's look at some examples to understand better. I realized that I had left my phone at home when I got to the bus stop. In this sentence, realize means to become aware of something that was not known before. I didn't know that I'd left my phone at home until I got to the bus stop. I checked my pockets, I checked my bag, and I found out that my phone was missing. I realized my phone wasn't there. It happened in my mind as a result of thinking. Another example, I noticed that he was wearing a new shirt when I saw him at work. Now in this sentence, notice means I saw something that attracted my attention. I saw that he was wearing a new shirt when I saw him at work. I looked at his clothes, I saw his clothes, and I saw that his shirt was different from the ones he usually wears. I noticed something. This happened with my eyes as a result of observing. Here's another example. She realized that she loved him when he moved away. In this sentence, realize means to become aware of something that was not understood before. She did not understand that she loved him until he moved away. She probably felt sad, she missed him, and realized that she had feelings for him. This happened in her heart as a result of learning something new. One more example. She noticed that he had a tattoo on his arm when he rolled up his sleeve. So here, notice means to see something that attracts your attention. She saw that he had a tattoo on his arm when he rolled up his sleeve. She probably looked at his arm and saw that he had some ink on his skin. This happened with her eyes, with her senses, as a result of paying attention. So now you know the difference between realize and notice. Remember that realize means to become aware of something in your mind, and notice means to see or hear something with your senses. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe. Try to use realize and notice as soon as possible so that the difference between those words sticks and stays in your mind. You can do that by leaving a comment below with your own examples of realize and notice in sentences. My name's Craig, thanks for watching and have a great day.